Baltimore City Church keeps holding services despite COVID-19 violations. We first told you about Greater Grace World Outreach last Wednesday. After one of their services, they've since held another and have one planned for tonight. WJZ is live outside the church. Joy Burnett explains why the pastor believes it's the congregation's constitutional right to gather. Joy.
Vic, the church's website had quite a few activities planned for parishioners today, including a service that's set to start in less than an hour. We were able to make it inside to the church's office, spoke with officials there. They kindly told us that they had no comment. During the live stream of the service, you're not able to see how many people are in the congregation at Greater Grace World Outreach Church.
What a joy to be together, and how good we feel.
Back in December, the health departments of the church off Moravia Road in Northeast Baltimore got a warning because people weren't wearing masks. When inspectors found the same issue a few months later, in March, they shut the church down. But leaders there defied the orders and continued to hold in-person services. In Sunday's sermon, this is what the pastor said to the congregation.
But somewhere I read of the freedom of assembly. Somewhere I read of the freedom of speech. Somewhere I read of the freedom of the press. Somewhere I read that the greatness of America is the right to protest for right.
We asked attorney Adam Ruther about the constitutional elements of this case.
The constitutional right to assemble, the constitutional right to practice your religion are obviously sacrosanct. They're incredibly important. But that doesn't mean that they can never be limited in a reasonable way.
Businesses that have violations are supposed to submit a plan before they can reopen. The city says the church has submitted plans for Easter, but city officials are still waiting for a more extensive safety plan. Church earlier this afternoon, officials told us that they have no comment. Once again, we went inside the church earlier this afternoon. Officials told us that they have no comment, and they kindly asked us not to approach their members in the parking lot for the service. Live tonight, Joy Burnett for WJZ.